Hi guys, how are you? And guess what I'm doing? Ito, ayan, si Roel. I'm watching his live, actually a recap. And at the same time, katatapos ko lang i-cut yung mga ingredients ko. Kasi I'm making a non-Filipino spaghetti. Di ba yung spaghetti natin is like isang matamis, yung meron din namang hindi masyadong matamis. So that's the one that I'm making today. So anyways guys, ayan, I have red bell peppers, onions, tomatoes. Tapos, the garlic is over here. And then, ayan, magkakat pa ako niyan. Sausages. And then, there's apple smoked bacon yung natira doon. Kinat ko na. And then, I have pate, ground beef, and more sausages. So, ito yung kakat ko. Ito yung favorite ni Austin eh. Yung parang hindi masyadong matamis. So, ayan. So, ito pala yung kitchen ko. Si Austin gumawa ng backsplash na yan, guys. Mother of pearl yan. So, when we had the kitchen renovated last year, ano yan? When we had the kitchen renovated last year, ang mahal na singil sa backsplash para ilagay yung backsplash. Singil sa amin, like almost $4,000. Eh, marunong kami gumawa nun because when we did the kitchen before, when we first moved here, kami naggawa ng backsplash. So, we just did it ourselves. Nakamura pa. And then, sa bottom, there you go. Gray yung kulay niya. At, ayan, and Austin's corn right there. So anyways, guys, mahilig ba kayo sa spaghetti? Do you guys want to see me cook? So anyways, let's get started. Guys, I'm not sure kung paano kayo nag-saute. Kasi ako, pag meron akong meat na isasaute, especially itong ground beef, it's very fatty. Hindi ako nag-oil. Yung oil ng ground beef yung gagamitin ko para mag-isa ng mga onions and garlic. Kasi diba ang ground beef mataba talaga yan. Eh hindi ako masyadong nalito ng mamantika. So, let's go ahead and brown this first. And then guys, for the sauce, we're gonna go ahead and use yung traditional spaghetti sauce. And then itong mushroom pasta sauce. And then a little can of tomato paste. Ayan guys, as you can see, nagmantika na siya. Kaya hindi ako naglalagay ng mantika eh. Kasi look at all the fat that's coming off of the beef. So, hindi mo kailangan magdagdag ka ng extra cooking oil or olive oil. Kasi, ayan o, with all that fat, hindi naman ganun kadami. Pero with all that fat, you can saute yung garlic, onions, and tomatoes and bell pepper ninyo. So, ang uunahin ko muna dyan is yung garlic. Actually, yung onions. As you can see, guys, onions ang inuuna ko. Kasi, huwag niyo unahin yung garlic. Ang garlic kasi, the longer na you cook the garlic, pumapait siya. Pero ang onions, the longer na lutuin mo siya, tumatamis siya. So, unahin niyo muna palagi pag nagigisa kayo is yung onion. And then, isunod niyo na yung garlic para mas malasa yung food niyo. Kaya nga gusto ni Roel, when I go back to the Philippines, gusto niya iluto ko yung pambota ko. Kasi alam niya how I cook. Did you guys know when I was in college, nagsasideline ako mag-catering. Kasi like, my mom was like telling me, bakit daw dentistry yung kinuha ko, dapat daw, culinary. Kasi malasa ako magluto, pero only sa mga pagkain na favorite ko. Pero hindi ako masyadong marunong ng maraming Filipino food kasi may mga Filipino food na hindi ko kinakain. So, hindi ko alam lutuin. Kaya ito nga, mom, ayoko mag-culinary kasi una-una, I can't eat seafood kasi nga allergic ako. So, yeah. So, dentistry bagsak. So, anyways, guys, ayan. Ito. So, saute ko pa to. Pag nakita nyo na to later, hindi na siya ganyan. Ang hirap mag-saute kasi the other hand, I'm holding the camera so I can't hold the pot. So, ayan guys, saute muna natin. And ayan guys, ilagay ko na rin yung garlic para isaute natin. At saka guys, hindi pala ako gumamit nito Yan yung mga garlic salt and garlic powder. Kasi nagpapalasa talaga siya ng sa food na really good. And then also, habang nagluluto kayo, isa pang trick na gawin nyo, mag-flavor kayo ng pagkain nyo in layers. Di ba iba, naglalagay lang ng asin pag tapos na yung food nila? Hindi, like for example, nagigisa kayo, mag-start na kayo unti-unti maglagay ng mga salt nyo, tsaka ng mga pepper, para yung flavor ng karne and everything lumabas, at para talaga mas flavorful siya during the end. Kasi minsan, pag sa huli lang kayo nag-aasin, parang hindi lumalabas yung buong lasa ng pagkain. Kaya I always, like suggest pag may nag-aasa akin how I made the food, mag-salt kayo and pepper and everything in layers, like beginning, middle, and end. Ayan. So, andyan yung garlic. Ang bango na guys, if you could only smell this. And then, i-add natin ang tomatoes. Ayan, isa din natin yan guys. Ayan. And then, tapos guys, lagay natin yung red bell pepper. Kasi guys, pag gumagawa talaga ako ng pasta, even Filipino spaghetti, gusto ko talaga may red bell pepper. Kasi nag-a-add siya ng bango. Nag-a-add siya ng bango sa niluluto nyo. And nag-a-add din siya ng konting sweetness. So, ayan. Andyan na siya. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this hanggang sa maluto-luto yung, yung mga aromatics natin, guys. And then, we're gonna go ahead and add some spaghetti sauce after. Guys, mali. I forgot to add the sausages. So, add natin yung sausages para palitikin natin. And then, we'll add the spaghetti sauces. Ayan. Sige, mix ko muna guys. Pero munti ko na siya makalimutan. Ayan pa naman yung nagpapalasa itong mga sausages na to. Sige guys, hold on. Guys, we're just waiting for the meat to cook. So while we're waiting, entertain daw muna kayo ni baby girl. So anyways, ayan. I'm just starting to buy some candies and chocolates. Kasi alam niyo naman dito, di ba? Pag Halloween, marami pumupunta dito sa house para mag trick or treat. So I got some gummy bears and may mga chocolates na ako na ready doon. Pero ito bubuksan ko para ilagay ko sa basket. I-ready ko na siya. Tsaka some Reese's Pieces. Kasi mga Snickers na rin ako to. Nakalagay na sa isang basket. So ito transfer ko na lang dito. So anyways guys. Ano bang balita sa inyo? So ilang months na lang uwi na kami sa Philippines. Usually we buy our tickets in advance. Pero si Austin, he's just waiting na for more days off. So sayang kasi we found a ticket. It was only like $1,000 via Asiana. Tapos nung nag-check kami the last time, nadagdagan na ng 300 each. Kaya naging 1,300 each na yung ticket. Kaya I'm like thinking, sayang. Pero it's still cheaper kasi nung umuwi kami nung Christmas last year, my very first Christmas in the Philippines after 34 years, ang mahal ng ticket guys, it was like 2,500 each. So, pag hindi siya peak season talaga, it's expensive but not as bad as Christmas. Ay nako guys, kahit anong vacuum ang gawin ko dito, kasi nga di ba I have 3 cats and yung dalawa very fluffy, ay nako nag-iiwan ng daming mga hair. Ito lang ang hindi masyadong nagsished na baby girl. So guys, mahilig ba kayo sa spaghetti? Si Austin yan ang number 1 favorite food niya in the world is spaghetti. Kaya kahit anong spaghetti, minsan di ba lalabas kayo tapos kakain kayo ng spaghetti sa, for example, sa restaurant, kahit hindi masarap, kakainin niya, gusto niya talaga kasi spaghetti. Pero, ayan. Pero ang favorite niya yung Italian style spaghetti. Ako naman, I love the Filipino spaghetti. So anyways, ayan, maayos pa rin yung house, but I still need to clean and do laundry. Kasi weekend on ni Austin ngayon, so we can't go out. So, I'm at home. So ano ba, kwentuhan niyo naman ako. Alam mo, I was wondering, paano kayo mag-live, no? Para one of these days, mag-live ako, magkwentuhan tayo. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check on my spaghetti. Look, guys, nagbo-boil na siya. So, ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga, yung water niya. Nag-water na yung meat. Ayan yung mga lasa. So, let's go ahead and put the spaghetti sauce. So, ayan na guys, na-mix ko na yung sauce. And then, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on low heat for like 30 minutes. Kasi diba, yung mga sauces, mas masarap siya the longer na lutuin mo, the longer na tawag dito. Like for example, yung spaghetti sauce, actually, diba, mas masarap the following day. Like yung mga caldereta, adobo. Kasi yung sauce niya parang mas I don't know, parang mas lumalabas yung lasa, diba, after a while. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on slow for 30 minutes and then I'm just gonna go ahead and make the pasta mamaya and then so Austin can have lunch. Kasi he's in his office right now working. Okay guys. Hi guys, the sauce is done. Hindi ko lang napakita pero I added some mushrooms. I added some mushrooms towards the end. Kasi may nakita ko sa pantry. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and i-plate na natin yung spaghetti ni Austin kasi he's ready for lunch. Ayan guys, first bite ni Austin. Ang laki. Laki ng bite ni Austin. How is it? That's good. Yan yung favorite niya guys, yung hindi matamis. So, oh, don't forget your garlic bread. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Wala, I just wanted to upload a video para lang mag-hello sa inyo. Hindi naman kami makalabas si Austin kasi it's his weekend on, so we can't go out. So I just decided, since I was making spaghetti and a lot of Filipinos making spaghetti, so sinama ko na kayo sa sa cooking journey ko ng spaghetti. So anyways guys, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And hindi ako maka-shoutout kasi impromptu lang to, so hindi ako nakagawa ng list. So anyways, until next time, thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you again. Bye! Say Austin, say bye! Busy siya kumain guys. See you!